What I like about being in a class like this is that you get to learn real life skills and experiences that can translate to a real job.
It wakes me up in the morning. It makes me in a good mood.
I've always loved cooking, and when I saw the culinary department, it definitely spiked my interest.
My favorite parts are definitely like the people and the connections you get to make.
It helps me be social. I'm not really alone. It's easy to be friends with people in this class.
They definitely treat us more like adults than children.
It teaches you lifelong skills that you're not just going to need for college or right now. It's skills that translate over to years and decades and all that.
Cooking is a skill you're always going to need. Culinary just teaches you how to do that.
This is my Birdville ISD.
This is my Birdville ISD.
This is my Birdville ISD.